This West Virginia hauler wakes up before sunrise. It isn't just land, it's a 30-acre biological engine. Maggie, put your ball, you goofy dog. You goofy dog. My name is Steve, and I'm the heavy equipment limnologist. A limnologist is basically a freshwater marine biologist. We study water. So most limnologists carry a water sample bottle. Me, I carry a 10-ton, 36-inch bucket. And we're going to use that to do all kinds of interesting jobs on the farm. In 5 years, I'm going to retire from the 9 to 5. I have to make this farm sustainable so that I can go after my ultimate trout slam. This won't just be a farm, it'll be a fully sustainable ecosystem designed for generations. This is my highly accurate, highly mobile water chemistry lab dog. I know that if she goes in silver, comes out chocolate, we've got some serious turbidity issues. Whether she's sampling water chemistry or recalibrating the local squirrel population, this girl lives to fetch. So this is where it all comes together. This is the hub of the production center. This is where the biology, the engineering, and the hydrology all come together. The heavy lifting happens here on the ridge, moving 800-pound bales through West Virginia's 5th season. The mud is a lesson in physics and patience. The hay is the fuel. Cattle build the soil today so we can grow the legacy tomorrow. Every system supports the next.
You can get this thing out of the mud. Look at that. Come on, baby.
Most people look at this land and see a muddy mess. I see something different. I see a series of synchronized systems, a living, breathing West Virginia ecosystem. How great is that? What do you think, Daisy? It's a girl. We're gonna name her Luna. Hear mommy talking to her? We work hard so we can afford the time to be intentional. It's not just about the output of the farm, it's about the quality of life we build on it. I'm not here for shortcuts, and I'm not here to pretend it's perfect. I'm here to show you the science behind it all. It's easy to get lost in the engineering, but all the science serves a purpose. Life, whether it's the goats, chickens, mushrooms, or the cattle, every system supports the next. But you have to find the balance. Spending time with my family is priority number one. Camping, fishing, and making sure Maggie lives the best dog life. To a contractor, this is just an excavator. To a limnologist, it's a surgical tool used to manage hydrology. I'm going to use 27 years as a military engineer building bases around the globe to manage the physics of this mountain. Whether we're clearing invasive autumn olive, a nitrogen fixer that disrupts our native succession, or cutting roads into a 30-degree slope, we use root cause analysis. If we don't control the sediment here on the ridge, we lose the water chemistry in the valley. So when the limnologist gets an excavator, this is what happens. This is the future side of the pond. We're going to engineer this so that the physics, the biology, and the chemistry all work together so that I have a sustainable pond that'll maintain trout all year long. In order to do that, we're going to have a hypolimnium that is oxygenated but doesn't destratify the pond. I know that's a lot of words, but you have to come back when we build this to figure out what they all mean. So this place is a mess right now, but this is the future location of our greenhouse. The greenhouse is going to sit right here. We're going to dig this down, level it out a little bit, and then in this back corner, we're going to have a hydroponic system. And by digging down 3 to 5 feet, it'll give us the temperatures we need to raise trout year round. The blueprint's set. Let's get to work.